Hey everyone, before we dive into today's video, I want to give you a quick, transparent disclaimer. This video is a genuine promotion for my own product. I'm here to share something I created and to grow my small business. No fake hype, just real talk about a project I put my heart into. If you love stationery, organization, or cute designs, I think you will really like this. This is BloomNotes. It is a printable theme based notebook system designed around the idea of blooming through simplicity. When you download it, you get three specific calming colors white, lavender, and yellow in A5 and A4 sheets. The goal here was to create a visual backdrop that makes your daily writing feel organized, peaceful, and entirely unclustered. If you look closely, each page features a highly minimalistic butterfly icon. It serves as a small visual anchor without distracting you from your thoughts, study notes, or sketches. Now, here is the best part. Because I run the shop myself, these notebooks are fully customizable on request. If you need a specific name, a different icon, or a unique color palette on the front page or the inner sheets, you can just message me on Etsy or drop your comment below and I'll personalize it for you. Because these are digital PDF downloads, they are incredibly versatile. You can print them at home and as many times as you want. I can also offer bundles of these theme based notebooks. So, if you are planning an event, a celebration, or a birthday party, these are perfect high quality favor gifts. You can get a cohesive set of themes to match your party decor perfectly. Every single view, like, and visit to my shop helps me learn how to build this business better. If you want to check out my shop and the Bloom Notes, the link is right below in the description box. Thank you so much for your incredible support. Let me know in the comments which color is your favorite. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.